In a case, bogus CCC Interim Secretary General Sengezo Tshabangu is seeking spoliation damages from Nelson Chamisa. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we'll give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. In his founding affidavit that accompanied CCC's application, Tshabangu said following Chamisa's resignation, there was an expectation of having been a smooth handover-takeover process, and such were being undertaken. He said a group of unknown people, about 25 to 30, who allegedly made it clear that they were sent by Chamisa, forcibly took control over the office. However, in his opposing affidavit, Chamisa reiterated that he is not currently part of any political organization, claiming his image and name have been misappropriated by many people who have no connection to him. He stated in his affidavit that he had absolutely nothing to do with the takeover of the offices. Chamisa said that if Tshabangu, as the applicant, knew the people who had repainted the CCC party premises, he should sue them. Chamisa denies the allegations that he sent people to repaint the CCC offices. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.